This is the BEHEMOTH K724 Pro by Redragon. Let's get straight to the point. This keyboard is almost so close to being perfect for me. I mean, it pretty much has everything you need. It's gasket mounted, it has 5 layers of foam dampening, it even has the LCD screen that everybody loves, and a knob. Like, what else could you ask for in a mechanical keyboard? I mean, yeah, it's all plastic, so the build quality is like alright, but you know, maybe some people like plastic. And it even has tri-mode connectivity. You can use a dongle, Bluetooth, or just leave it wired. I mean, yeah, this keyboard just looks great. You'd never be able to tell that this is a Redragon keyboard. The only reason why I say it's almost perfect is because I really don't like the Mint Mambo switches that this keyboard comes with. I mean, it's not the worst feeling switch. It's advertised as thick lubed, whatever that means. Just a lot of lube, I guess. But yeah, this switch is just not for me. It's not my ideal feel or typing sound. It's advertised as a creamy and cozy typing experience, but to be honest, it doesn't feel that creamy and cozy. But thankfully, the keyboard is hot swappable, so if you also decide to get this keyboard because you like everything else about it, you can always just swap out the switches for something else. This keyboard is really cheap at less than $100. So for the features it has for under $100, it's pretty good. The cool thing about the LCD screen is you can actually control it using the volume knob. So if you want to change the effects of the keyboard, change the time, you can have a GIF of a mouse running, which is the default GIF for some reason. Oh, and he just crashed into a tree. Yeah, then you can do that. Or you can change the colors of the keyboard. It comes with a whole bunch of stock presets. Change the brightness of the keyboard, change the speed, change the language, layout, or just go back. I don't want this. How do I get rid of it? So yeah, very cool features on this keyboard. Obviously you can control everything through the software as well, but yeah, it's nice to have this feature. So this is the software. It's pretty simple. You got your different light settings, you got keybind settings, you got your macro creation settings. You can create new macros. And here's where it gets a little more interesting. You have your Windows lock, exchange key, which swaps your WASD with your arrow keys, N key rollover, which you'd want to have on, especially if you're gaming. It just prevents bugs from multiple key inputs, and instead it inputs each key individually. And you got your polling rate. And here you can edit your screen, your little display that's on the keyboard. You can either have a drawing, you can have a picture, an animation, and yeah, when you plug in your keyboard at first, it's probably gonna display the wrong date and time. But once you download the software, it auto adjusts to your computer, which is nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the software. In the unboxing, we have some extra switches packaged in this really nice foam. I've never seen that before. That's pretty cool. A USB-C cable, a switch and keycap puller, a user manual, some stickers, and of course the keyboard itself. So yeah, based off that sound test, you can probably tell if this keyboard is for you or not. And yeah, you also probably heard the stabilizers, not the greatest lube job, but you know, far better than stock, you know, unlubed, rattly shakiness. So yeah, I mean, in conclusion, for under $100, this keyboard is packing some heat. Tri-mode connectivity, the LCD screen, volume knob, gasket mounted, 5 layers of foam, pre-lubed switches, which in my opinion aren't the greatest, but you know what, hey, it's under $100, so you can't really complain. And you know what, switches are also very subjective. Like, I might not like it, but you might like it, so yeah, who knows. And these PBT keycaps are pretty cool as well. So yeah, in conclusion, this is definitely one of Redragon's best mechanical keyboards. Honestly, Redragon is very looked down upon, but I think this keyboard, I think people will be pretty shocked if you have this keyboard on your desk and they find out it's from Redragon. Overall, great job from Redragon. And yeah, I'm excited to see what else they make. Anyways, that's it. See ya.